Hi, Don here. Welcome to the Podiatry Management Minute. We're going to talk about chart documentation tips. I learned this idea from Ari Meisel, and he has a website called Less Doing, and his like the three tenets that he talks about are like optimizing, automating, and then outsourcing. And so with chart documentation, we're talking like for our medical record, we have to first optimize it, and then as much as we can automate it. So let's talk about those first two. So to optimize, I'm a big believer in templates. So when we started our EMR, and we used Athena, so you might use a different one, it doesn't matter. It's template driven. So you have these templates, took a lot of time, made those really work well. They were slick, they were easy. And then when I see patients, it pulls in automatic normal values. So that's the first thing. So my templates, I have templates for X-ray reads. When I read an X-ray, it has little templates that are in there as well. Templates for ultrasounds. And so that's the first thing, templates. The second thing would be what we call macros, which are canned things that we say over and over. So for example, how we explain plantar fasciitis or Achilles tendonitis, those are all written. And then when in our EMR, if you hit dot and then start writing that name like plantar fasciitis or plantar, it'll pull up different discussion notes for plantar fasciitis or for anything else. So that really saves a lot of time when you're seeing patients for the same thing over and over. And there's a real easy way that if I'm writing something out, I can easily save it into a new, what we call macro. That's what it's called. So having the templates and then the macros set up, that's kind of optimizes it and now then automates it to make it a lot easier. The last portion of that is outsourcing, and that's where I'm at right now, using a scribe. But if I didn't have all the automation and optimization, it'd be a lot harder to use a scribe because it would take them a lot longer. So you have to kind of learn how to do it yourself before you give it to someone else. It's not going to make you a lot easier. So those are some of my chart documentation tips, using a scribe, using that automated system in terms of making your notes. I'm going to include a little link underneath here. It's podiatrypracticemastery.com/EMR if you want to kind of look at some of my templates. These are for people that are kind of wanting to know how to do templates. You want to see, I have a copy of my templates. I pretty much put them in there. The reason I did that is because when I was training my scribe, they asked for all this information. So I just put it into a Google Drive folder. That might help you guys. Okay. Until next time, let me know your thoughts. Please subscribe to this page or this YouTube video and like this video and put any comments underneath. Okay, thanks.